Hey everybody, this is Richard Smith. We're going to blast racing stripes on this 2003 Ford Focus. Now I want to go over a little bit over the settings that you have to use when you're blasting detail work like racing stripes on a car. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you that. And we use a specific combination of 2 different tapes to be able to leave the paint where it is and leave clean lines. I'm not going to go over the tape because that's my secret, but just know that you need more than 1 tape. Alright, so after blasting with 4070 glass for about an hour, we now have pure raw steel with factory paint racing stripes. We left a little cut right between here so it looks more traditional and has the pinstripe. We're going to let this rust over the next couple weeks and then we're going to throw a clear coat over it. This is actually going to be our Lemons race car for the 24 Hours of Lemons race coming up in November. So we're going to gut it out, we're going to get all the weight out of it we can, take all the unimportant stuff out of it and take it to the races. We're going to build a roll cage in it, we're going to put some 5-point safety harness, improve the brakes a little bit, and those will be on new videos coming up in 2018. If you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button below. It's on this side. And I'll see you next time.